Alright, good morning everyone. This is DayTraderRockStar for February 4th, Monday. And what a week we had last week. I want to jump right into things because I'm in a happy mood. Congratulations to all those Giant fans out there. And, it was a great game anyway. But I got some great stuff for you here, so I just want to jump into that. First of all, I want to also remind you to keep on going back over those watch lists from the previous days of the week because they hold a lot of good information. If you notice, if you go back to the watch list and you just see, you look at the, the targets and the breakouts and stuff, you see most of them are playing out very, like textbook. And you're gonna just keep those in on your watch list for pullbacks and other trading opportunities. Some of them haven't been triggered yet, and I might not go back and go over them again. So you have to make sure you just continue watching the old ones, waiting for the triggers to set up, and that's very important. That these numbers, when I give you a stock to watch, it's very important to buy it on the break of the trigger. Unless you're more of a person who want to take more of a gamble or a chance. Well, unless that the target price is hit, my buy price is hit, then it could still go down or it could still gyrate in a channel. So you want to really wait until a target is hit before you start buying, unless I tell you this one seems to be good and you could scale in. So because there is some good plays coming up here, and I want to just I want to make sure everyone capitalizes on them totally. All right, this first one I'm going to look at here is Starbucks. I bought some Starbucks last week. It's starting to look really good, and I'm actually going to add to it tomorrow. I think tomorrow we're going to have a nice gap up. We're going to have a nice rally tomorrow, unless some type of news comes out in the morning, some kind of weird banking news comes out and brings us up. But I know the Asian markets are up now. Giants won the football game. It's like everything's New York's going to be all hyped up. That's where the stock exchange is, and that's where we're going to be going tomorrow. Up and away. So Starbucks looks really good. I actually I'm liking this one. The daily chart. The chart looks good. We have good support down at the $18 area. We actually have a little jagged inverted head and shoulders here. Two shoulders at 18, and we have a little spike down in the middle of January to make that head. You probably see it better on the daily chart, but what I'm looking for is just to get the Starbucks above that, above the 20-day moving average one more time, which I would consider this one a buy above 1930, basically just I think we're going to start getting a nice trend up here on 1930, about 1935. And then again, I would just continue to add to my positions once we get above this pivot high here at $20.70. And again, my overall target here on this one is about $24 right now. My short-term, medium-term target is $24 on Starbucks. I mean, if you be realistic, I mean, Starbucks last November was trading at $40 a share. All right, it's trading at less than half of that. That's come on, people. This is Starbucks we're talking about. You're getting a nice discount here, so definitely consider this one. This is definitely a swing play. I think you're getting a good deal right here, and I definitely would consider scaling in at these levels with with all out. You could definitely add to your positions above 2070. All right. Also, some news came out this weekend talking about how Google. I was wondering about this on Friday when the big announcement of Microsoft came out. They're going to buy Yahoo, or they approached Yahoo with a bid, and I was wondering what's stopping Google to just step in here. They have just as much cash to buy this with, and apparently they did approach Yahoo back in the day, and it never came to. Never came out to play. So I think that actually Google has a good plan to step in here and actually ruin the day for Microsoft, or actually make Microsoft pay a little bit higher for this Yahoo, just to kind of screw them a little here for whatever reason, because there is a little war going on between Microsoft and Google. There's no doubt about that. So I mean, if Google has a chance to screw Microsoft over a little, this is going to be the perfect opportunity. All right, and Yahoo just actually came out saying there's no plan, no agreements have been said. There's nothing on the table at all, and they're still weighing their options. So you know, for the people who are holding Yahoo, haven't gotten rid of it yet, this one actually might be an interesting play to go further up, maybe $34, $35 a share. Now let's look at some new ones here. Again, tomorrow's Monday. I had a great week last week. I'm just going to keep it nice and light today. Putnam Managed Mutual Income Trust Fund, whatever it is. I like the chart on this one. Chart looks really good. We have a nice resistance here at $7.54. Nice. And that's what I like about this. You know, I like breaking of these resistances and these nice runs. So this one doesn't have a long history in it, but I definitely want to watch this one above that level, 754 that was. So definitely watch that level. Put that on your watch list, and watch that one closely. Let's continue on here. Another new one. This one I used to trade a lot last year. I do like the company a lot. It's Lionsgate Films. A lot of support here at the $9 level. Again, if we zoom out, this one was trading up. You know, where did it go? Well, this one was trading up at around $11. It's not really pulled back that much over the last few months, but the last 2 months is really a nice consolidation on the 60-minute chart, and it's starting to look really good. So I like this one above 960, and I'd be watching this actually for a short-term break about 950 should get us there. It looks like we had a nice little consolidation on Friday. So watch 950 for a little tail, and then watch 960 to actually, if you want to start taking a position in this one. This again is not a big mover or anything, but it's actually a very good stock, very good company, and it probably has some upside to it. I just feel like it's about ready here. AAPL, Apple, love it here. Just like it a lot here. Look at this beautiful, this like nice little shallow bowl here happening. It's like a little inverted head and shoulders. It's a little deeper pushed under 127 here. We have a lot of support at 127, and then we have this now, you know, slanting trend line that corresponds with the 50-period EMA moving average, and we're right above the 20-period moving average. So this one's really looking good. Once we get above this this area here, which is 136.60, about 136.60, 136.70. Let's make it 136.70. It's going to correspond with a break above the 50-period moving average, this trend line, and I think you're going to see a nice move in Apple start filling this gap up again. At least we're looking for 140 on this one very easily. So I like Apple a lot at these levels. And we'll see what happens with Google. I'm not putting that one up on my list right now, but I do like Google. Here's a couple I had for momentum plays over the weekend. This one looked really good, SVVS. So keep an eye on this one. This one should get a continuation. It had decent volume, a nice spike up, and this one's probably going to continue on tomorrow, Monday. So watch this one, SVVS. And I think that's going to be it for now. I didn't see any news on the Sirius Satellite XM radio announcement, so that was a rumor. So we'll see how that reacts tomorrow. I got out half of my position on Friday anyway, because, you know, rumors, you never could trade rumors. You can have a little fun, like betting on the Super Bowl. It's just like taking a rumor, you know, it's just a bet. So hopefully that plays out. I still like Sirius Satellite Radio and XM to merge, and I think that's coming down the line. Maybe it'll come tomorrow. We'll see. All right, that's it for now. I'm going to get out of here. Have a good night. I'll see you in the morning. DayTradingRadio.com. That's www.daytradingradio.com. I'm out of here.